have a struggling reader? Do you have a child reading below grade level?
I am here to talk to you. This child has any level of visual intelligence.
Learn some ideas and skills to help kids be able to identify their emotions and share them safely.
We
are taking up the use of animal-assisted therapy to help children with special needs.
I will be teaching you how to make exactly what I'm wearing.
And I'll be using two major things in arts, which are lines and shapes.
For some, you proposes that kids serve as a form of therapy for special needs kids.
So our first activity is going to be the egg and spoon.
This is going to be fun. This is going to be like a very beautiful experience.
Yay!
Do you have a struggling reader? Do you have a child reading below grade level? Or do you have a child that finds it difficult to read out loud or would rather not? These are some warning signs of dyslexia. What is dyslexia? Dyslexia is a neurological condition that makes it difficult for one to be able to read, write, or spell in their native or preferred language. How would you teach this kind of people? Now, a lot of times, some people think they're not smart, but it's not about that. A dyslexic child can have average intelligence or way high IQ. The easiest way or the best way to teach someone who is dyslexic is using the multisensory method. The benefits of the multisensory method are it integrates the visual, the auditory, the tactical, and kinesthetic learning elements. It also helps the learner to discover, the learning style that best suits them. Okay? Another benefit would be that the multisensory method is effective for all learners, especially dyslexic students. It allows for more individualized lesson planning. Now, there are different ways one can get multisensory materials, but the easiest way is what I'm going to show you. As you can see all this is just a combination of things I worked out with myself. These are not the materials I use for teaching, but I just want to teach you the simplest way you can get materials out in case you want to teach your dyslexic learner. You should have papers. You can use postcards like this or some cardboard papers, colored papers preferably. You should have pens, that's markers, different colors, 2 colors precisely, probably a red and a blue one, and a sellotape or scissors. So what you do basically is you cut out a paper in square, like a little tile, and then when you cut it out in square, you write the sound of the alphabet. Now, when you're done, you can call them movable letters as well. I always advise that you use the red one for the vowel sounds, that's A, E, I, O, U, and you use the blue one for the rest of the sounds of the alphabet, which are the consonant sounds. So when you're done, you use the sellotape on it, both front and back. So it seems like a lamination and it becomes very durable. It will not spoil easily, it won't get wrinkled or damaged easily. The child can use it for a while. So the child can arrange letters. It is very multisensory, very hands-on. It makes it easier for them to remember what they are learning and it makes learning stick. So this period of lockdown or even after lockdown, when you're helping your dyslexic child, remember, the best way is the multisensory method. Thank you.